In this video, what is a MetaTrader 5 template and how you can set your preferred default appearance for new charts. A template in MT5 is a saved chart style. It includes your chart type, colors, indicators, objects, and other display settings. In other words, a template dictates how your chart looks. When you install MetaTrader, usually charts open with colors and styling that is not your preferred one. This depends on the clean installation and often the broker you installed MetaTrader from. To set your default preferred template for all new charts, first customize your chart the way you like it. This can include the background and colors, the type of chart, candlestick or bar or line, and if you want objects or additional indicators. I like a clean chart using black and white colors. Once all the settings are finalized, you can right-click the chart, choose Template, and select Save Template. To save the template, so that it applies to all newly opened charts, you need to save the file as default.tpl. From now on, every new chart you open will automatically use this appearance style. If you wish to create different styling, you can also create multiple templates. For example, if you want to create a default chart view that includes RSI and 2 moving averages, you can prepare a chart with the indicators and save the template. You can save templates with different names and load them whenever needed. Beside the default templates, which is usually the first thing I change when installing a new MetaTrader, templates are very useful and make your workflow faster, more consistent, and more organized. I really hope that the use of templates will help you as much as it's helping me. We hope you found this video helpful. For more tricks and tools, subscribe and visit us at mt4gadgets.com. Trade smarter, not harder.